Hello, it's AIOStream. This video is about how to create a task and run the task. I take SoundCloud for example. Create a new task first. Name the task and select Fast Creation using templates. Here to select a template. When the template is selected, general function and running mode of the template will be displayed on the right side. If there is no template you want, click here to submit your requirements. We will add such templates for you. Play tracks, for example. Data source, for example, according to task template I selected. I need a text data source for songs links and an account data source for accounts to log on to the site. So how to create a data source? Create a new data source automatically. To create a data source that does not exist. Do not create task data source, so I need to manually create or specify data source in following settings. Create a new data source, for example. Select a text data source which contains songs links. Here I can specify a data source I want, or I can use the data source automatically created by the program. Click here to add a new data source. Click here to manage data in data source. Here I can add a song link. I select a text data source that contains a few songs links, for example. Click Manage Data again. These are links in text data source. Next step. Select an account data source, the default data source, for example. Select account to use. Save it, and that's all for data source settings. Task parameters. When the parameter is selected, its description will be displayed on the right. Here I can modify value. Save the settings. This is the created task. Select a task, start task settings. The maximum number of tasks that can be run at the same time. To show debug window or not when task is running. To enable scheduled task or not. Click OK. Keep the task selected. Hit Start button to start this task. Hit Stop button to stop task. That's all for this video. Thank you.